Partnership firm as a form of business. In partnership firm, two or more persons come together to work and earn profits. For work, they enter into an agreement called as partnership deed, in which profit sharing ratio, roles and responsibilities are clearly mentioned. So the question is the registration of partnership firm is mandatory? The answer is no. Benefits of registration of partnership firms are: first, legal protection and enforceability. A partnership firm can take legal action against the person who has defaulted in making payment or breached the contract. Second, a person or a partner can sue each other in case of any of them has violates the clause of partnership deed. Third, legal protection from the fraud and misrepresentation. And the fourth one is credibility. Because of the registration, the credibility or trust has been built. The advantages of having partnership firm. First, easy to start. Since the registration under Indian Partnership Act 1932 is optional, it is very easy to start. Second, decision making. Since the less number of people are involved, it is very easy to take decision for the business. Third one, raising of fund. Since more than two people are involved, so they contribute their capital for the business. Fourth one, sense of ownership. Since the management and the ownership is under the same person's hand, so the disadvantages of partnership firms are unlimited liability. Since all the partners are enjoying the profits, hence they have to share all the losses and has to bear all the liabilities of the firm. Second, trust of the public. If the partnership firm is unregistered, then it is very difficult to build trust among the stakeholders. Third one, disputes among partnership firm. When two or more people come together, there may be disagreements among them. So it is very easy for the arisal of disputes. Fourth one is dissolution of partnership firm. Since it is unregistered, it is very easy to dissolve the partnership firm. And the fifth one is only maximum 20 persons can become partners in. For the initial years of business, it may be useful, cost effective, but for the longer term and for the growth and expansion of the business, one must think for the LLP or company. If you have any query regarding partnership firm, its registration, its resolution, then do let me know in the comment section. Thank you.